Flynova Pro. Today's last gadget is a toy, but not a regular toy. This is Flynova Pro, a flying balloon that will allow you to come up with thousands of games. You can hit it, chase it, try to catch it, or use it as a boomerang. Inside the balloon there's a tiny drone which helps it hang in the air and move after being thrown. Flynova Pro is suitable for playing at home and outdoors, and you can play alone or with your friends. The possibilities are truly endless. The minimum price is $34.